Let's talk about quantities and predictions using to, enough, and will. I can handle it. There is too much. That's enough. I can handle it. If you see these two sentences have some similarities, right? In both of them we say no more, right? It's too much, more than necessary, or it's enough, up to here, right? We can analyze also this quote that I have here. Enough is enough, and it's time for a change. So no more, it's time for changing. This is what it's saying. Let's see how we use to and how we use enough. In terms of quantity, or when we want to talk about quantity, we use the thing we name quantifiers. To is one of them. We use to say more than is good, right? So we can say that it's a little exaggerated. We can use too much plus uncountable noun, right? Because much is normally related to them. And after a verb. I have too much homework. He ate too much. We use too many plus a countable noun. There is too many people in the city, so it's pretty crowded. We cannot walk. We can use too plus an adjective. They are too uncomfortable, so it's more than uncomfortable. We cannot use them a lot, right? This is the way in which we use them. On the other hand, we have enough. Enough is used to say all that is necessary, so the enough amount. Use enough before a noun. We have enough water for a week, so it means after the week we don't have more because we have enough for a week. Use enough after a verb. I couldn't eat enough. In this case, we can say that we are a little hungry, right? Because we couldn't eat enough, and it is following the verb eat. Use enough after an adjective. This book is not long enough for me. I wanted a longer book. I wanted too many pages to read. This is what it's saying, right? So remember, before a noun and after a verb and after an adjective. Now let's make some predictions. It will rain tomorrow. You will travel next year. I'll find my perfect house. All of them are predictions that we can make, right? That are not, or that we don't have any evidence to say how it is going to be. So when we are predicting without evidence, we are using will. So let's see how will works. We have will for positive, want for negative, and it is used to predict things without evidence. So when we are thinking something is possible. We use it for predicting things that we think, guess, or know about the future. I think it will rain today. I'm just thinking. I'm not looking at anything at the sky. Maybe I am in my room and I'm just predicting, right? So if I am doing that, I have to use will. How we use it? Well, we have the positive sentence, subject plus will, plus base form, important. After will, we always use a base form, plus complement. If it is negative, so is subject plus won't, the negative form, plus base form, plus complement. And as will is the auxiliary, it goes first at the beginning in a question, will plus subject, plus base form, plus complement. So a question based on the example we have could be, will it rain today? This could be the question that we can use to ask about that prediction, right? So now, based on this video, let's complete the exercises.